Hey everyone, Michael Ferrara here, and today we'll be looking at why people fail in network marketing and what you can do to avoid failure in your business. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Michael Ferrara, and it's my passion to help as many people as I can break away from working a 9-to-5 job and to be able to live the lifestyle of their dreams no matter what that lifestyle looks like to them. Have you ever wondered if network marketing is a viable business that really works? Or maybe you've had a prospect ask you this question and it's kind of got you wondering. Today we're going to dive deep into the top 5 reasons why I think people fail in network marketing and what you can do to avoid failure in your business and achieve the success that you're looking for. Network marketing is extraordinary profession that has changed many people's lives in big ways. However, it's not exempt to receiving that criticism from people who experienced failure and decided to blame the industry instead of looking at how their actions or lack of actions contributed to their failure. The network marketing is actually a $183.7 billion per year industry globally. I mean, to put this into perspective, let's look at a few other industries that you may or may not be familiar with. The NFL brings in $9.5 billion per year. Video games, $67 billion per year. The music industry, $16.5 billion. And the movie industry, $80 billion per year. Over 200 million people are going to enter the network marketing industry over the next decade. Now, the average cost to join a network marketing company is actually less than $500. If you actually stay in network marketing for over 10 years, you have a 90% chance of being in the top 1/10 of 1% of money earners, which, if you're in a big enough network marketing company, that should make you a millionaire. The average cost to start a traditional small business is $35,000. Real estate network marketing has actually created the most millionaires out of any other industry. So before diving into today's training, it's important to know that with any business, it's going to require work in order for it to work. Seems pretty obvious, right? So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first reason that I believe people fail in network marketing is false expectations. And if you've been in network marketing for more than a minute, I'm sure you may be guilty of this as well as, have you ever heard somebody say to you, hey, you gotta check this out, this opportunity, man, people are making like $1 million in just a couple weeks. It sounds pretty crazy, but believe it or not, people are actually still recruiting this way. So if you start someone off with an unrealistic expectation, they're going to come into the business thinking that this is actually possible. And when they don't start earning a bunch of money right away, they're going to get discouraged. They're going to quit. They're going to think network marketing doesn't work for them. So we have to remember it's really important to start them off with the proper, realistic expectation from day one. This is the first reason I think people fail. They came in the industry with the wrong expectations that maybe someone promised them. The second reason why I think people fail in network marketing is mindset and belief. See, we need to have belief in the product or the service that we're representing. We need to have belief in the industry and the profession of network marketing. If you don't believe that network marketing as a profession is absolutely the better way, then you're going to have a really hard time getting motivated to keep yourself going. And obviously, you're going to need to have that belief and confidence to be successful as a network marketer. So there's certain things that you can do to help build your confidence and belief, but you need to have confidence in your product or service, your team, and the training as well as the processes. Whatever you need to do to build up that belief and to fill your mind with good, positive information each and every day, you just got to do it. Whatever it takes. The third reason I think people fail in network marketing is lack of ambition and dedication. Okay, let's just face it. With any big reward, there has to be some sort of involvement, right? Of input that you actually have to put into it. You need to be investing in training, in your education, and going to the events and attending your team calls and really treating the business the way you want it to actually pay you. The amount of energy you put into your business is the amount of success you're going to get out of it. In the beginning, you're going to put in a lot more energy than you're going to get out of it because, I mean, that's just what you do with any business. But then the magic starts to happen and the scale will tip where you will finally start to crest up that hill, and it's like a snowball effect inside of network marketing. But for that to happen, you have to be dedicated to the craft. See, it's so funny that I get so many people that say to me when I ask them, how much money do you actually want to make, in this industry? What's your income goal? What are you striving for? And they always tell me, I want to make $10,000 a month, or I want to make 6 or 7 figures, or whatever it is. But it's interesting that their dedication and ambition towards the goal doesn't match that goal as far as the amount of energy and the dedication it's going to require them to put into the business to make that 6 or 7 figures in the profession. So you got to be willing to put in the work to receive the reward, right? What's very, very interesting to me is that some people will go to a job 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, and sometimes even more than that, and maybe they're making $50,000 or $60,000 a year, but they expect to get paid 3 times that amount working, say, just a tenth of that time. You have to remember that this is a business. You need to treat it as a business, and you have to be dedicated to the process of earning the kind of living. And I see too many people, they actually treat this business like a hobby. And, the last time that I checked, a hobby doesn't pay very well. So the lack of ambition and the lack of dedication is another reason why I think people fail in network marketing. The fourth reason why I think people fail in network marketing is comfortable situations. All right. So this is an interesting one. Have you ever seen somebody get an award on stage or have a complete rags to riches story? Like they were up against a rock in a hard place and they had to make this work. It was like do or die. They were hanging on by that thin thread. They had to be all in, so they got down, they got dirty, and they went to work without looking back, and they made it work. They became successful. See, the funny thing is when people are comfortable, people will not take drastic measures. What you have to do is you have to understand that to make something work, you have to get uncomfortable to get comfortable. And sometimes you have to create a false, uncomfortable situation for yourself so that you can motivate yourself to make something work. Because I know for me, after building my insurance agency, I was comfortable running my agency. And because I was financially comfortable, there wasn't really a lot of motivation for me to build my network marketing business because I was still making a nice living, even though I no longer enjoyed running my agency. I knew I wanted that time freedom. And I really wanted that freedom lifestyle that I saw people in network marketing living. So I was thinking to myself, well, I'm kind of comfortable, and that hindered my motivation to get out there and actually get busy and do what it took to make myself successful in this business. Maybe you're just like me. Maybe you're financially comfortable right now, but what can you do to really motivate yourself to make that change? To charge after it, and to just get busy and do whatever it takes to create that change in your life. Now I see so many people that are stuck in that comfort zone, that they have given up on their dreams because they're comfortable, and the pain or desire isn't strong enough to push them towards reaching their goals. They gave network marketing a try and figured, this just isn't for me, or maybe network marketing just doesn't work, so they give up. If you want to live that dream lifestyle, you have to get out of your comfort zone and be willing to be uncomfortable. As once you get out of that comfort zone, that's where the magic really starts to happen. And the fifth reason is because they don't have the right training. I know there's like 5,000 different network marketing companies out there, and some of them have really great training and some of them don't. This is why some of you guys have found my channel, as well as some other leaders' channels that you plug into, which is great. But you have to remember that you're in control of your own business. You sometimes need to step out of the box if inside of your company box you don't have the right training and you feel that you need more. You need to go out there and seek it, what you feel that you need is as far as training is concerned. And number one, it has to start with you first, figuring out what is it that you need help with. Do you need help with prospecting or closing or social media or whatever you need help with? You want to seek out the professionals that can help you in those areas. This is very important, and just like any professional athlete needs a good coach, business is no different if you want to strive to be the best or one of the top earners in your company. All right, so there you have it. The 5 reasons I think people fail in network marketing. So make sure you don't fall into those areas, and make sure that your team doesn't either. If you'd like for me to send you my free network marketing getting started roadmap to a residual 6-figure income, which will lay out the exact things you should be doing when starting your business, to getting you started on the right foot, to building your belief by getting you that first paycheck, and to finally helping you hit the ground running in this awesome profession that I believe is one of the best professions that exists today. So make sure to shoot me an email at mferrara@ferraraservices.net, and I'll get that right out to you. Again, my name is Michael Ferrara, and I'm on a mission to help as many people as I can break away from working a 9-to-5 job. I hope you found this video useful, and if there's anything I can do to help you crush it in your business, please just let me know. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you make today an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now.